Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Walgreens account if you have forgotten your password. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in walgreens.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Walgreens website, where in order to continue logging in and resetting your password, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on the sign in button. You will then be taken into the login portal for the Walgreens website. Now from this page, click on Forgot Password and now you will be taken to the password reset page. Go ahead and type in your email address within the email address box and click on the Continue button. You will then find the Send Code button, which you can click on to receive a verification code within your inbox. After you click on this button, just go ahead and log into your email address that you used to sign up for Walgreens. Within this email address, you will find a mail from Walgreens within which you will find your security code that you can use to reset your password. You can simply enter this code or click on the given link within the email and proceed forward, and you will be allowed to enter a new password for your account. Go ahead and type in your desired new password and make sure you follow all of the requirements. Then click on Save as New Password, and now you can click on the Return to Sign In button when you see the notification telling you that your new password has been saved. Now from the sign in page, you can use your new password along with your email address to sign into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how you can recover your Walgreens account if you have forgotten your password. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.